Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, we are going to see the difference between na and enakku. There's a significant difference in what it means, and once you learn it, it becomes very easy to understand many phrases. This difference applies for everything such as நீ உனக்கு, அவன் அவனுக்கு, நீங்க உங்களுக்கு. To understand them further, you can check one of the earlier videos and the information you'll find in the description below. Na and enakku conveys two different meanings. Na means I and enakku conveys my feelings, thoughts such as enakku idu pidikala. To me this is not good. I don't like it. And to convey certain feelings we use only enakku, such as I'm hungry, enakku pasikkudu, I feel sleepy, enakku தூக்கம் வருது. Enakku is my feeling or thoughts or opinion rather than I. It is somewhat similar to as far as me, I feel, etc. If you are new to this channel, you can check the 150 plus videos to learn Tamil through grammar, small phrases, conversations, etc. Here let us see two simple phrases. Na sapidano, meaning I have to eat or I must eat. Enakku sapidano is more of your feeling or your intention to eat. Imagine you are going on a tour somewhere and it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but people have different plans still, and you tell them, okay, whatever you want to do, but I want to eat. That is me, I have to eat. Enakku sapidano. You can also say that with stress on na sapidano, but it makes it more clear when you say enakku sapidano. Hey, it is 5 o'clock. I want to eat. 5 மணி ஆச்சு, எனக்கு சாப்பிடணும். That is the best way I can explain the difference between me and I in this context. So you can change it to whatever you want to talk about according to the pronoun. அவனுக்கு சாப்பிடணும். As far as him, he has to eat now. நான் சாப்பிடணும். எனக்கு சாப்பிடணும். Here, imagine two friends are having an emotional time and talking about one of their friends who is going through a hardship. I have to do something for him. நான் அவனுக்கு ஏதாவது செய்யணும். But when you say எனக்கு அவனுக்காக ஏதாவது செய்யணும், it is a confusing sentence even for a native speaker, but if you say that quickly. So to make it simple, we divide it into two parts. Let us take the second part. அவனுக்காக ஏதாவது செய்யணும் means have to do something for him. Now let us use the enakku and make a small pause before finishing the sentence. எனக்கு அவனுக்காக ஏதாவது செய்யணும். That is, my feeling is that I feel that I have to do something for him. I hope now it is clear for you. Na phrase is just a statement, and the enakku is prompted by your mind or feelings. Na or enakku, I or to me, அவனுக்காக for him or for his sake, ஏதாவது செய்யணும், have to do something. நான் எனக்கு அவனுக்காக ஏதாவது செய்யணும். It will be useful for you to check Instagram, where you will find many simple short lessons that can gradually make you comfortable with the language and its subtleties. All the best with your Tamil learning. Do not forget to subscribe, like, for new videos. All the best. Vanakkam.